So I know for me, when I was able to double my salary, get the most contracts, get the most referrals, testimonials, case studies, you name it, it helped me actually to become financially independent today, and it opened up avenues for me to be able to do what it is that I love to do. And I know I can do the exact same thing for you. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie, and in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to get a raise in your job. I remember when I was working at this job, literally within a year, like I said, I doubled my income, doubled my salaries. I became the #1 recommended person in my job, all within a year. And all within that year, I also invested into myself. Since you're already here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit that like button to
destroy the like button.
Of all things. I mentioned this before, just having a great attitude. If you come into the office, everyone is the same, everyone's grouchy, everyone's like, oh, I can't wait till, Friday, or it's a Monday. Why would you want to be like everyone else that is stuck? When you have a great attitude, when you put on your great attitude hat, when you smile pays a lot of money, by the way. How do I know this? I do it, I did it, it works. Smile to your boss. Oh, but I hate my boss. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're gonna be stuck that way, and you're gonna, again, live a very frustrated life. And if you feel like entrepreneurship is the answer, it's still gonna be even harder in that direction until you mature up, until you get that entitlement mindset out of the way, move forward, shine through, have a great attitude, smile, everything else starts to change for you. People are gonna start calling you up. I had a client before that sent me like 3 pages worth of referrals of seller companies. All because I was smiling, okay? Like, I know that's so elementary, but it's so heavily true. If you don't believe me, try it. Hey, try it for the next 60 days. This is another huge one too, because now you're on your boss's side, and it's about giving your boss updates. Like when they give you projects or things that you gotta handle, assignment duties, whatever, give them updates along the week. Like, hey boss, I'm done with step 1. I'm now on step 2. Just wanted to keep you posted. Hope you're well. Just things like that. Nothing crazy. Quick email. Don't write a story or a paragraph. Just little simple updates here and there. Boom. And you're out of there. Just giving them updates, because you have no idea what your managers, what your boss, what the CEO, what the business owner have to go through on a daily basis. So when you stand out from everyone else that is giving them updates, man, you're shining. You're just shining, and you're definitely gonna get promoted. That's just bottom line. Giving those updates really releases stress. And I've come to realize too, like in most companies, the people that get raises are the ones who are stress relievers. This one right here is a stress reliever by just giving your boss updates. Because let's say a project is due in a week, and let's say it's already the end of the week, and you're like, hey, this person didn't call me back, or whatever excuse you want to give that to your boss. Now they're more frustrated. You're not standing out. You're not going to get a raise. First of all, you're not getting a promotion, you're not gonna make more money, nothing. Being an entrepreneur is just as hard. So I feel like having a job prepares you to be an entrepreneur, but you gotta be trusted with what you have each and every day as you go into your job. Each and every day is an opportunity for you to stand out, get that raise, get that promotion. For you to become an entrepreneur, you got to prosper where you're planted in your job. And if you're running into some issues, just simply tell your boss, hey, I'm on step 2, I'm having a little problem, getting a hold of this particular person. If you have any ideas, any knowledge, I would love to know from your expertise, but just wanted to give you updates, and I would love to know how to be able to solve this issue that I'm running up to. They'll be gladly to help you. I feel like in this society, if you ask questions, if you don't know something, you look weak. Absolutely not. Bosses, managers love when they have their team come to them and ask them questions. You don't look weak, you actually look very strong, and they're gonna rely on you, they're gonna depend on you, and they'll be like, wow, like she or he is acting very different than most people are. Most people, they feel like they know everything, and she or he is sending out but just coming to me for questions. But if it's the same question like 5, even just 3 times, then that's something else. That's something you don't want to do. You don't want to ask the same question 3 to 5 times. That just blows everyone crazy. And if you're finding this video so helpful, remember to
destroy the like button.
It helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Let's continue. Another point that I want to get into is for you to obviously get a raise. is that you need to go out and refer people about your job, about your opportunity, about your company, about what product, service, whatever it is that you're selling in your job. Refer it to other people and promote it and get people hired in your company that you're working for and getting clients as well. Clearly, money comes from people. So when you get people into a company, whether it's a customer, whether it's a client, whether it's, you know, just a good hire, cha-ching, hello, you're definitely gonna get money for that. There's tons and tons of companies out there that have this referral opportunity. When you refer people into the company, you get like a $500 commission or something like that, like a bonus. That's the way to go. Another point too is just staying focused. Staying focused, stay off of social media unless you are in the sales team and you're promoting and you're talking to somebody about what you offer, then that's a different story. But if you're in just social media, just to get on social media and see what your friends is doing, which actually is very fake, stay off social media. Stop shooting the breeze with people, like just having small talks here and there. I mean, yeah, it's fine. Hey, how was your day? Okay, great. That's it. But what I'm saying is you want to be trusted with the hours that you've been given at your job. So what does that mean? It's about staying focused, staying productive, because before you know it, you're going to actually be far ahead than most people when you get all your work done. And the moment you get your work done, you go to your boss and say, hey, I got all these things done. What else can I do for you? Wow. You know, that's a need in today's in every company today. Just people being so heavily productive, staying focused, staying out of social media, turning that thing off and just focusing in their job and getting everything done literally within half a day, going up to them. I'm ready, I'm finished with everything that I got going on. What else can I do for you? What else can I take away from your plate?
Cha-ching.
Your bank account is going to be very happy with you. Not complaining, just don't do that. Yeah, it's not good for you. It's not good for anybody else. Create that environment for people to be productive. And the moment you hear someone complain, just, you know, or someone that is talking to you about complaining, it's like, hey, you know, I really want to be able to hear you out, but I really got to get this done because I want to make sure that I stand out for my boss and, you know, I look good for my boss. And they're going to be like, oh, you know, you're dumb. Whatever. Why would you want to be friends with them anyways? You came here to work. You came here to be productive. You came here to make money. You came here to grow in your career. Stay focused. I cannot wait for you to get that bonus and many bonuses after that. There's so many points that I can just continue to talk about. The next point is finding needs within the company and filling them. If you happen to hear your boss saying something, or your manager saying something, oh, we need this, we need a team member, we need this particular client, whatever it is, or we need whatever, hear that and fill in that need. My goodness, when you fill needs, you're on your way to financial freedom. That's all I have to say about that. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, you work in a job, you fill in needs, so very true. So have that open ear, listen for those needs, fill them. You are about to be promoted within less than a month. You're gonna get far more raises than anybody else. Be different, be wise. If someone is getting a raise, someone is getting promoted and they haven't been in the company longer than you have, learn from them. People love giving their opinions, their suggestions, their expertise, their feedback. Learn from the ones who are better than you. You're gonna take this advice and hit a home run. If you found this video helpful, destroy that like button. Thank you for your support. And if you are feeling stuck in whatever it is that you're doing on a daily basis, whether it's with people, your job, your business, personally, I would love to help. Reach me at natalie.lasso@gmail.com. Comment anything below as well, any takeaways. I cannot wait to hear from you. Again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.